Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Rock Island County, eastern Mercer County, southwestern Whiteside County, western Henry County, eastern Scott County, southeastern Clinton County, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:25 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Viola to near Watauga, moving north at 65 miles an hour. These are destructive storms for Alpha and Andover, Illinois. Expected hazards include 80 miles an hour wind gusts. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Henry County Fairgrounds, Silvis Heights, Moline, Rapid City, Erie, Campbell's Island, New Windsor, Cambridge, Fort Byron, Panorama Park, Riverdale, Shady Beach, Osborne, East Moline, Rock Creek Marina and Campground, Kelowna, Barstow, Princeton, LeClaire, and Illinois Forest Preserve. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 301 and 306. Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 25. Interstate 74 in Illinois between mile markers 3 and 33. Interstate 88 between mile markers 1 and 20. Interstate 280 near mile marker 18. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Take cover now.